Hello and welcome back. Today the plan is to install Laravel. So we're gonna open our browser. We'll go to laravel.com, or we can just search for it and we'll find it. And there we go. We're gonna need to go to installation. This will give us required PHP 7 or greater. Then you can install it globally using Composer. To install Composer before. So let's search for Composer. It's a very popular, it's used by developers. Okay, we are now in Composer. Let's get started. So it will show us how to install it. If we read carefully, we will understand how to do it. I've seen a lot of people having problems with that, but it's straightforward. There are like an install file available for all, for the most popular operating system out there, including Windows. Okay, we will need to download the binary file. We'll click this link and then we will save it. So it's going to be automatically saved to our downloads directory. Now let's try installing it. I'm going to cd to our home directory. Okay, let's check what PHP version we have. So it should be greater than 7. PHP-V, we have PHP greater than 7. Let's check MySQL version. It's 5.7.21. Well, these are the latest ones, not the very latest, but the one that's used by our control panel, the latest ones, or by our server. I'm gonna install it using command php. Then we're gonna use the shortcut to our home directory and downloads. Then install this binary file. Okay, it's been installed to our home directory, but we're gonna need to install it globally. So let's check the website. To install it globally, you need to move it to user local bin composer. So this is where you need to use. Okay, let's sudo and then just paste using Control-Shift-V or Insert-V. Composer has been installed globally. Now go back to Laravel and try to install it globally. Zoom in a little bit. Just copy this Composer global require and then Laravel. Just paste it. Okay, so this is the command used to install Laravel using Composer. I'm gonna install it globally. You see the directory where it's now, it's actually a home directory and then .config composer. That changed for this latest version of Composer, as this video is being made on 2018. Okay, so we have a problem. There is some package required we need to install the extension, the zip extension for we need to install the missing package before we proceed. Otherwise, you will not be able to install it. Sudo apt install, then php 7.0 dash zip. Check a few seconds. And it's installed. Now we can clear the screen and then rerun the same command. Composer global require Laravel /installer. Okay, now it's installing. It should take a little bit. It's done. Let's clear the screen. Now we need to have it in to set up our home directory. See, it's different. It's home composer vendor, but now it's .config. That's the change. I think they haven't updated their website yet, or something. I don't know. Something is missing out there. But to have the correct path, we will do the correct way as it was showing us during the installation. And that's the basic idea, is to have it home and then composer, but composer now it's in config. It's not .config. Let's edit our profile to insert our path. So add a new path below whatever you have. I'm gonna just make a comment here. Laravel path was added manually, so something was added before is by a program or something. Okay, this is the new configuration path. Let's clear the screen and then update our path. Type source and then location for your path file. So I have it at home.profile. Let's check if the path is updated. It looks like we have an update. Okay, as you can see, it's updated. Now we'll be able to run Laravel. Let's just check composer. It will show us you can see available options. Now let's try to run Laravel, and of course it's installed. This is the latest Laravel. I think the version now is 5.5. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Have a great day. Bye.